Before I start the video, I just want to give a quick shout out to all the people out there who just subscribe to my channel. Welcome to the family, guys! Hello everybody, hello beautiful people. Yeah, that's what I usually say. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what is different about today? Today is Tuesday, duh, which means it's Tuesday Tips with Nour. By the way, if you're wondering who's Nour, that's me. Okay, so today it's Tuesday, guys, and
if you are new here, every Tuesday I sit down and I make a short video, usually 5, 6, 7, 8 minutes long, where I share with you a quick tip about self-love, self-care, self-development, literally anything that can make you feel happy and become a better person because you, honey,
deserve it. Okay? Why they are so still? Like, I don't understand. Like, just move. Okay. Anyway, so today's video or today's tip, it's something that has to do with the two previous Tuesdays videos that I made, which is also about planning. So one video I made is how to plan your month, and the other video how to plan your week. And today's video, it's how to plan your day, because it's really important to know how to plan your day. Anyway, as I said in those two previous videos, it ain't no right or wrong planner. It's up to you to make the right planner for you. I'm just here to share with you my own day planner and how I plan my personal day, and then it's up to you to get inspired by it, take some stuff from it, or you can even take my day planner and then try to add something, to it, or just take it as it is and just start planning your day just the way I do plan my day. If that makes sense, you know? I don't know. So yeah, if you want to know how to plan your day, then let's roll. Let's roll. Let's roll. For watching. That was it. That was the end of this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you find it very helpful and also very entertaining, because that's what I'm here for. Anyway, so what I was about to say, yeah, obviously since I'm a YouTuber, I wanted to say don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Okay, and don't forget also to follow me on other social media if you also care. Is that the word? Anyway, so yeah, see you next time till I drop a new one. Bye.